श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। ओम श्री परमात्मने नमः। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता प्रथमोऽध्यायः द्वितीयश्लोकः। संजय उवाच दृष्ट्वा तु पाण्डवानीकं व्यूढं दुर्योधनस्तथा आचार्यमुपसंगम्य राजा वचनमब्रवीत्। Now we shall see the fast pace. संजय उवाच दृष्ट्वा तु पाण्डवानीकं व्यूढं दुर्योधनस्तथा आचार्यमुपसंगम्य राजा वचनमब्रवीत्. Now we shall see the meaning of each words that we use. Sanjay uvacha. Uvacha means said. So Sanjay uvacha means Sanjaya said. Drishtva tu. Drishtva means after seeing. Tu means do. It generally comes as an extra word with the drishtva. Pandava anikam. When it combined, it becomes Pandava anikam. Because of Savarna Dirgha Sandhi, it is Pandava anikam means the army of Pandavas. Vyudham, arranged in a military formation. Duryodhanaha, King Duryodhana. Tada. Here the word king is not present because the word king is given in the second line, and this is Duryodhanaha, King Duryodhana. Tada means then. Acharyam upasangamya, we saw, which should be splitted as Acharyam upasangamya. Acharyam means it is in the second vibhakti, teacher. Acharya teacher. Acharyam means in the second vibhakti. Upasangamya means approached. Raja, the king, that is the king Duryodhana. Vachanam, words. Abravit, spoke. Sanjaya uvacha. So the Sanjaya uvacha means Sanjaya said. The meaning of the entire shloka is, after seeing the army of Pandavas arranged in a military formation, King Duryodhana approached his Acharya, teacher, who is none other than the great Dronacharya, and said the following words. One more time we shall say this shloka. Sanjay uvacha drishtva tu pandavanikam vyudam duryodhanasthatha acharyam upasangamya raja vachanam abravit. ಧನ್ಯವಾದः.